My name is Deluna, and I've been teaching harp for about 25 years, and I am so happy to be inviting you to something that I've been weaving with intention. It's called Learn to Play Silent Night with 3 easy harp chord shapes. It's more than just a class, it's a journey. I created this for you to learn how to play one of the most beloved and timeless Christmas tunes for the harp, Silent Night. This is not about memorizing notes. It's to support you in realizing the relationship of the written note to the shapes created on the harp, to develop an understanding of the gentle shapes of the chords and the patterns that give this sacred melody its grace. In this course, you'll be building muscle memory in your fingers so they become like beautiful dancers of the music. Dances that you can use for countless songs through your life. Through this course, you'll begin to see and feel, develop the muscle memory in your fingers and become familiar with the chord shapes that you can build confidence with and play forward from here. This course is for harpers who are beginners and for those who've been playing for a while but want more ease, more beauty, more joy, or perhaps want more clarity in reading the music and deciphering different chord forms. We'll be starting in September, so like many harp circles, we start in the fall so that we can be ready for the Christmas tunes as the season comes in. You'll get 8 1.5-hour group Zoom meetings, a Facebook page where you can upload your videos, receive constructive feedback, ask questions, and stay connected through the weeks between the Zoom calls. You'll receive a PDF download of the flashcards that I made to help you read music and learn how to play Silent Night with confidence. These cards actually inspired this course. It's designed to give you smooth guidance from single notes, chords, and patterns that feel like flow shapes. Besides technical support, you'll discover a deepening connection to your harp. Whether you play for healing, holiday gatherings, or just your own joy, this is a gift to your future harp playing self. So enrollment is now open, and since I want to be able to give each of you individual attention, space is limited. This will be a small, intimate group. Use the early bird coupon below before August 25th to save money. I'll drop the registration link and the coupon code. If you know someone who's been longing to learn how to play the harp or to reconnect with their harp, feel free to share this with them. I look forward to sharing my music with you. I look forward to sharing this course with you and to support you in your growth. See you later. Bye for now.